My very own DIY t-shirt!
No! There's a better way to make DIY clothing using acrylic paint! Let's start with a fresh dress and a handprint stamp. Now paint on the stamp with any color you like.
I like red!
Now stamp on it! Use different colors, too! Ready to wear your creation?
Wow! Awesome!
Yes, it is!
Let's stamp your shirt with my handprint, too!
No, 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 no! No!
Mine!
Mine!
It's mine! Let's watch a creepy show! And have some popcorn! Huh? I finished mine already?
Nope!
No! Aha!
Huh? Where's my popcorn?
It's empty!
Yummy!
No!
Not fair!
There! Now back to the show!
Oh! Dig, dig, dig!
We can't ever play all day! Give me that!
Play with this instead! This will make you strong!
Whoa! This is too heavy!
That's not for kids! Let's give her a ball!
Yay!
Oh, my bad!
Know what I'm thinking? We're gonna make a jump rope! This will get you moving! Jump! Jump! Jump!
This is better! Yay! Huh? What's that sound? A monster?
Don't you worry, my dear! I gotcha! Lights on! Oh, come here!
There's a monster under my bed!
Let's take a look. Maybe it moved into the closet? It's gone! Oh, still afraid to sleep, huh? Oh, how about a little long-legs bedtime friend?
Yay!
Nighty-night now!
Play with me!
Play with my friend! I'm not alone now! How sharp are these scissors?
Huh? No!
Let's try them on your hair! They can cut anything!
Oh! Give me those!
Take this!
Oh! Models? I have an idea! Let's put on a disguise! Using scissors and colorful paper, we can make cutouts and wear them! No one's gonna know it's us!
Boom!
Whoa! Hey! It's just us!
Whoa!
Huh? No! You're eating chocolate again? And you ate them all up? Come, let's clean you up.
Then what?
Brush your teeth.
Done!
Not yet. Come back here. This time, do it properly. Use toothpaste. Just squeeze some on your toothbrush.
That's easy!
Oh! No!
You can brush your face!
Now, back to business. Brush your teeth until the timer runs out.
Okay!
2 hours later. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Yay! I got some more candies! balloon up. Yay! Mommy, can you twist like this?
Sure.
Watch closely. Twist some more. There!
You!
Yay! Now all these are mine! Yum!
Not anymore! Wow! My favorite!
Not fair! Gonna grab my things.
Oh, look! Do something with her funky shoes! Let's have some fun! I'm still in kindergarten for a reason! It's because I'm a bully! Now watch!
Whoa!
You big bullies!
Oh no! My slime container broke! And I'm all dirty!
What happened here?
My bag is all slimy!
Oh, then let's turn back time to when the bag was still clean. And let's put a Mommy Longlegs keychain on it for extra protection.
Our favorite schoolmate!
Have some snacks!
Let's teach these bullies a lesson!
Hi, kids!
No!
And where do you think you're going? Come back here, you two. Pick on someone your own size. Or better, stop bullying!
Yes! One more time! Cool! Got the frame! The base! And Dad!
Ow! That hurts!
Bullseye!
I'm keeping it. You can't play with this anymore. Aha! How about hide and seek? I'm it! Go hide! Ready now? Where could she be?
Ah! Run! You can't find me here!
There you are!
Ah!
Haha! You're it! Now close your eyes!
Ready? Oh, that's easy! I see ya!
Don't tell her! Shh!